thank you so much, Mami. I miss you and like, ikaw talaga yung number one supporter ko. So, thank you so much.
Now if you need me, call me. No matter where you are, no matter how far.
Don't worry, baby.
Just call my name, I'll be there in a hurry. You don't have to worry, 'cause
Baby, there ain't no mountain high enough, ain't no valley low enough, ain't no river wide enough to keep me from getting to you. Remember the day I set you free? I told you you could always count on me. From that day on, I made a vow I'll be there when you want me, some way, somehow. 'Cause baby, there ain't no mountain high enough, ain't no valley low enough, ain't no river wide enough.
Magandang umaga po. Tao po. Good morning. Dito po nakatira si Miss Samantha. Hello sir. Good morning po sir. Good morning. Miss Samantha, mayroon po kaming delivery sa inyo. Pwede po dito sa labas na lang. Nakabox naman po. Pwede dito. Kahintay na lang po. Ay, dito pala. Sorry. Dito na lang po. Wait lang. Surprise! Happy birthday! Happy birthday po! Good morning, Miss Amanda, and happy birthday! Kamusta? May idea po ba kayo? Kanino galing itong pakart ng surprise? Sa inyong arawan? Sige po. At tayo naarawan niyo po. Sa ngayon po, relax and enjoy this moment. Happy birthday! At dahil naarawan niyo, mayroon po kayong birthday sa us. Happy birthday! At dahil 18th birthday niyo po, mayroon din po kayong birthday crown. At dahil naarawan niyo, mayroon po kayong birthday. Sabayan niyo po, pangkat ito ng birthday. So, bago niyo po ito. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Wish mo muna bago. Happy birthday. Dito natin malaman kung kanino nang galing. Happy 18th birthday, my Samantha. Love, Mommy, Uncle, Hardy. Happy birthday! Bakit ka naiyak? Namiss mo na si Mami? Dito na lang po tayo. Namiss mo na si Mami? Relax lang. Okay ka lang? Yun lang po para makita ka ni Mami na nanood po siya ngayon. Okay ka lang? At dahil kaarawan niyo po, mayroon po kayong flower bouquet. Happy birthday! Relax lang po. Dito lang po tingin natin yun. So, kamusta? May idea na po kayo kay Mami Daddy? So, may katanungan ako sa inyo. Mga ilang months o years, hindi pa nakauwi si Mami dito? Ako kaalis na. Pero sobrang miss ko na si Mami. Sige. Ano po yung mga memorable na nagawa niyo ni Mami nang nandito po siya? Okay lang po ba malaman? Or sa iyo na lang po? Okay, sige po. Mamaya po. At dahil sa arawan niyo po, meron po kayo pansit bilao. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! At syempre, may kasama din po itong teddy bear. Dito na. At dahil sa arawan niyo, ma'am, ay Miss Samantha, meron po kayong birthday message. Pero bago ko po ito basahin, magpakilala po muna kami. Kami nga po pala ang Metro Manila Gift Shop and Delivery. Miss Miss Samantha, nandito kami upang gawing extra special ang inyong 18th birthday. Happy birthday po! Ready ka na masay? Happy 18th birthday, anak. I can't believe dalaga ka na. Parang kailan lang you were just my little girl na hawak ko sa kamay. Now you're stepping into adulthood, and I am so proud of the strong, kind, and beautiful human you are becoming. Always remember, kahit gaano ka pa katanda, you will always be my baby. I will always support you, guide you, and love you unconditionally. Chase your dreams, trust yourself, and never forget how amazing you are. Welcome to adulthood. I'm so proud of you and everything you've achieved. Stay humble, stay kind, and always believe in yourself. Mommy will always be here for you. I love you forever. Your lovely mother, Cheryl, all the way from abroad. Happy birthday! Sobrang naiyak talaga si Lisa Wanda. Okay lang po ba? Kamusta ang pakiramdam? Relax lang, okay ka lang? Gusto mo ito, baby? Lang. Sige po, ano masasabi niyo sa mama niyo po? Nanonood po siya ngayon. Natin muna. Ma, baka mayroon pang message ka dito na para dumaan ang pakiramdam niya po.
Happy birthday sa... Sabi na surprise ka. Basta always remember na nandito palagi si Mami kasi hindi kami pakailangan ng opportunities ka. Continue to reach your dreams. Okay, happy birthday.
Siyempre, hindi pa rin dyan nagtatapos. At kami po, from Metro Manila Shop and Delivery, mayroon po kaming souvenir para po sa inyong 18th birthday. Happy 18th birthday, Miss Samantha. We wish you nothing but the best as you embark on this journey. Happy birthday to an always amazing and fabulous daughter. May your day be as bright as your smile. From wishing you happiness on this special day from Metro Manila Shop and Delivery. Happy birthday! So ngayon po, last message sa mami. Kaya mo ba?
Thank you so much, Mommy. I miss you and like, ikaw talaga yung number one supporter ko. Thank you so much.
Happy 18th birthday! Sige, kung wala na pong babati, kami naman po gusto bumati sa iyo, Miss Samantha. Sa iyo po, Miss Samantha, binabati po namin kayo ng happy 18th birthday. May all your dreams come true. May God bless you in good health and happiness in your life. Enjoy your special day. More birthdays to come. Happy birthday po. And lastly po sa aming sender kay Ma'am Cheryl, all the way from abroad, in behalf of Metro Manila Gift Shop and Delivery. Lubos po kami nagpapasalamat kasi kami po inyong napili upang mahatid po itong sorpresa para po sa karawan na Miss Samantha. Ipagpatuloy lang po ang pagmamahal sa isa't isa at lagi po kayo mag-ingat dyan sa abroad. God bless po sa iyo, ma'am. Sa iyo po ulit, Miss Samantha. Happy 18th birthday! Enjoy your days.
Now if you need me, call me. No matter where you are, no matter how far.
Don't worry, baby.
Just call my name, I'll be there in a hurry. You don't have to worry, 'cause
Baby, there ain't no mountain high enough. Ain't no valley low enough. Ain't no river wide enough to keep me from getting to you. Remember the day I set you free. I told you you could always count on me. That day on, baby,
Happy 18th birthday, Miss Samantha.
Thank you, Mom.